Today we are going to learn about loops. We have different types of loops. Loops is nothing but uh, loop. We know the meaning of loop, right? In a circle, in format circle format, right? In the same way, our loops also rotate in the form of circle. Let's see how it will rotate. Okay, we have different types of loops like while loop, for loop, and do while. Okay, let's discuss about while loop first. Don't don't use the names which you have in inbuilt like while else if like that. Okay, use different Python files. Okay, if you use that one, you will get an error like circular input. Okay, if you get that error, that meaning of that is you have given the some library name to your Python file. Okay, let's see what is while loop now. I'll try to do a program. I want to print 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, so what we know, how we print those values means print 1, 2, print 3, print 3. You will get like this. The first one is string. Okay, you can print directly from 1 to 10, but here the thing is, if it is from 1 to 10, we can print it. Okay, it will take some time, and we can print 1 to 10. But coming to thousands of values, how we can print? We can't use thousand uh, print statements, no. So for this only we have a loop called while. Okay, yeah. I, while while deals with some set of statements, uh, and also if the statement is true only, it will go inside the loop. I'll show you how to do that. While if I want to print 1 to 10, I less than 10, I'll print like, okay, let's run this. Let's run this code. You got an error like I is not defined. Did you mean id? Okay, I'll define I equal to 0. Here I have given a condition, right? I is nothing but 0. 0 less than 10, true or false? It is true, right? 0 is less than 10, so 0 will get printed. And next, uh, okay, let's try to see the output first, and afterwards we can discuss what will happen in the next. I'm getting 0 0 0 0 0 because here my I value is 0 first. 0. Now I am comparing my 0 with 10. I mean 0 is less than 10. It is true. So my 0 is getting printed. Again it is going to the while loop. I said no, it will rotate like this. So again it will go to the while loop. Again it will check. My I value is 0 only, no? 0 less than 10. Again it is true. So again I am printing 0. So it will rotate here only up to 1051 times. I think you will have a limit. It will not go through some billions of numbers. It will have some limit. Okay, up to that limit it will execute, and after that it will stop, and it will show an it will throw an error and stop it. Okay, if your processors are fast, then you will get the error immediately. If not, it will take some time like this. Okay, I'll stop it first. So what we have to do now, we have to make something something to get my I as 0 to 1, 1 to 2, and all. So here I have an option like incrementation. I is equal to I plus 1 is nothing but my I is a variable. Okay, this is my variable, and this is the variable which I have used here. Okay, we know value of I is 0 plus 1. So my I value become 1. Okay, I value become 1 and it will go here. Now the second condition is 1 less than 10. True. My I will get printed. Now my I value is 1. No, my value is 1. So my I will become 1 plus again 1. Now 2. 2 will go here. 2 is less than 10. It is true. 2 will get printed because I am printing I here. So my I value become 2. 2 plus 1 will become 3. Because I have used plus 1 incrementation, no, that's why I am getting plus 1 incrementation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Let's see the output first. Yeah, I got the required output. But it started with 0 and ended with 9. If you want to get 10, then you have to give the condition like less than or equal to 10. Then you will get up to 10. Okay, this is about while loop. And also let's try to do some programs in while loop. And uh, uh, yeah, if you have any doubts in this program, just please let me know, because this is a basic step you have to know to go through while loop. Okay, because if you are getting confused here, you will not understand anything. Okay, just tell me if you have any doubts, or else you can keep a message in the chat box so that I'll see. Yeah, it's clear now. Okay, if you don't have any doubt, right? You should. It is very important. You have to. You should have some basic idea on this while loop. Then only you can do anything. Okay. Yeah. Now let's try to do some even numbers in by using this while loop. So first of all, you have to define your I value. Not only I, whatever the value you want, whatever the variable you want, you can take. I am taking x also, no problem with that. Generally we use I. Okay, but there is no mandatory to use I only. While x is less than, I need even numbers up to 100. So I'm taking 100. Less than or equal to, you should use equal. If you use only less than, it will go up to 99. That's it. Okay, while x is less than or equal to 100. uh, do you know the condition for even numbers? How we can say that a number is even or odd? Okay, if a number is divisible by 2 and if you get remainder as 0, then it is called even number. If not, it is called odd number. That's it. Okay, so I'll keep that condition here. If my number is divided by 2 and if I get my remainder as 0, this is nothing but if you use modulus you will get remainder. Okay, if you use modulus you will get remainder. If you use floor division you will get coefficient 0, then it is called even number. So I'll print my x. Let's see the output. Let's see the output. You will trigger with an error. The first error what we got, the same error you will get here, because the loop will runs continuously, because there is no conditions to stop them. I have used a condition but there is no incrementation here, so I'll increment. You will get only even numbers up to 100. If you want to start with 1, get 1. Okay. If you don't want to, you can also get the even numbers without using this condition. I'll show you how to do that. But it is not the right way. But you have another option like this. Okay. You want to find even numbers. So I'll increment my number to 2, not 1. You'll get 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Here also I'm getting even numbers. But if I change the value here, you will get all odd numbers. Okay. But this is a wrong approach to find even and odd numbers. So don't use this type of conditions. Just use this conditional. Okay. Just take a screenshot if you want. Just take a screenshot. Okay. Now let's try to do some other programs. Uh, we can also use else in this for this while block. Simple. If that condition gets satisfied when it comes out of the loop, then I want to print loop ended, loop ended. That's it. You will get all even numbers, and at the end you will get loop ended. That's it. Okay. You can also use else for while also. Okay. And let's try to do another program. Just give me a minute. I'll be back. Sorry guys. Let's try to find perfect number. Okay. Do you have an idea on perfect number? I'll show you what is perfect number. Perfect number is nothing but you will have some factors for every number. You will have some factors. If you add those factors and if you get the same number as the output, then it is called perfect number. For example, I have 6. Okay. 1 plus 2 plus 3. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 2. You will get your output as 6. 6 now. My first number and my output is same, so it is called perfect number. Let's try to do this program. So if you want to do this program, you need to uh, get first of all, the main important thing is you need to get factors. Okay, let's try to get some factors. So I'll give the user input. Okay, now uh, I'll take divisors equal to 0 while my divisor is less than or equal to my number, because you will have divisors less than or equal to this number only. Actually, you will have divisors up to half of its number. I'll show you. I'll show you. For 6, you will have divisors 1, 2, 3, and 6. Okay, we are not considering 6 here. So it is going to half its number. For 100 also, you will have divisors like 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, uh, 20, 20 and 25 up to 50. You will have the factors for 100. After 50, you will not find any factors. Only 100 you will have, but after 50 you don't find any factors for 100. Okay, now if if my number divide by this divisor, if I get my remainder as 0, then I'll print this divisor, and also I'll increment my divisor. Okay, here I am checking whether this number is divisor or not for my number. Okay, I'll show you the output. As I said, I'll take 100. Okay, here something went wrong. uh, Integer modulo by 0. Sorry, you have to take 1 first. Okay, because the numbers will start from 1 now. I'll take 100. You got divisors from 1 to 100. Okay, you will have only these divisors. Now I'll try to find divisors for 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm getting divisors, but this is not my requirement. My requirement is to add all those divisors. To add divisors, I'll add s is equal to s plus divisor, and also I will define my s. Okay, I'll show you why I used s in the next program. Actually, I have to show some of in natural numbers, but I'll show you later. Okay, I'll remove print. I'll print my sum here. I'm getting 136 because for every loop the print statement is executing. That's why I'm getting this. I'll print s here. If I use 6, you will get 6. If I use 50, okay, the divisor should get added, not a multiplication. The divisor should get added. For 6, you will have 1, 2, 3, right? So 1 plus 2 plus 3. You'll get again 6. So my input and my output are same. So it is called perfect number. So I'll execute this in my program. I'll give some set of instructions to my program that if my input and output are same, I should get it is perfect number. If not, it is not a perfect. Okay. If my number is equal to yes, print perfect number, else print not perfect number. Let's see the output. 6 is a perfect number. 100, not a perfect number. Searching Google for some perfect numbers. I don't know actually what are these numbers. Yeah, 628 is also called as perfect number. Let's see. Yeah, it is. I am getting perfect number. The other number is 496. 496 is also a perfect number, and the other number is 8128 is also a perfect number. 8128 is also a perfect number. Okay, and let's see how 28 is a perfect number. Let's see. Okay, now if you want me to make a dry run, I will make a dry run here. Dry run is nothing but executing the program. What is going on inside, I'll write them in form of comments. Okay. Yeah, this is about perfect number. Uh, let's try to do another sum of natural. Okay, I want to find sum of n natural numbers. So if you give a number from, I mean, if you give a number like 10, 20 like that, you'll get an output from 1 to 10 or 1 to 20. But I need to get sum of all those numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 10. Okay, I'll give the user input equal to 0 if I less than or equal to my n. Uh, S is equal to s plus I, because and also I have to define s here. I is equal to I plus 1. I am incrementing my value. Print yes. Now if I try to get sum of first 10 natural numbers, I'll get my output as 55. Okay, so it is correct. If I use 100, I should get 505 or 550 like that. Okay, 5050. Okay, and if I use 1000, 500, 500, if I use 5000, you'd get 5. Okay, 1 to 5. This is how we can do sum of n natural numbers by using this while loop. I'll show you uh, how many members. Yeah, okay, no problem. Just keep some interest in this program because I'm trying to explain you how to design a car game in our by using this Python program. You know, uh, uh, before before the smartphones, all the people, I think some of the people have that small mobiles in your home. In that, you'll have some snake games, car games, and all, right? The same how those games are designed, I will show you now without any UI. Okay, no car will come here. Just I will show you how this how those programs are running inside. Okay. Uh, First of all, I'll get when I try to open the game, I'll get some options like new game, resume game, like that, right? So after new game, I click on new game. I should get three options. Okay, what are those? When I start my new game, I should get on the screen like press 1 to start the game, print, press 2 stop the game, print, uh, any key to stop. Okay, you'll get like this only now. Okay, you will get option like this. Let's see whether I'm getting like that or not. Okay, I got okay. Any key to stop. Any key to exit, not stop. Exit. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I got. After this, if I click one, I should get a message like car is started. Okay, car is started. But before that, here it should show some options, right? Uh, Choose an option or like that. I should get some user input now. So I'll give uh, yeah, I got choose an option. If I get one, I should get car. I should get a message like car is started. Okay. Now, if my ch is equal to 1, should get hint is start. Okay. If I give 1, I should get car is started. Okay. Up to here, my code is working perfectly. And if my character is true, then I should get print car is stop. Okay, I'm getting this also, but every time it is coming out of the loop and I am executing again and again now. So I don't want like this. I need an infinite loop. As I said, infinite loop is nothing but while true. While true is nothing but it is an infinite loop. Okay, if you observe one, and it will ask, okay, car is stopped. One, two, one. If you don't want these options again and again, you have to keep it outside the loop. That's it. As you wish, you can design how the requirement you have. Car is stopped. Sorry, car is started. Car is stopped. Again one. Nice. Two. If I press any key, again it is asking. But I should not get this option. I should come out of the loop and the program should get exited. So what I do is else print game ended like this. Any of the program, and you have to use break. Break is nothing. Break is a keyword which is used to stop the iteration and it will come out of the loop. Okay, it will stop the loop and it will come out of the loop. See, one, car is stopped, sorry, started. Two, car is stopped, and six, game ended and it came out of the loop. Okay, it is running correctly only. Now I'll give one, car is started. One. If I giving one again, it should say that car is already started. How can you start again and again? Okay, if in the same way, if you give two for the two times in series, you should get for the first time you should get car is stopped, and for the second time you should say you should get uh, car is already stopped, like that. You should get a message like that. Let's see what we can do to get like that. So for this, I'll make my start as false. Start is false is nothing but uh, it is in stop condition. Start is called false means that means it is stop condition only. No, you can also give start stop is equal to true like that. Whenever for example you have a bike or a car, it will be not in start position 24 hours, right? You will stop somewhere, right? Whenever in the morning you will go, and when you will try to start it, right? It will be it is it will not already in start position. No, so I'm keeping my start as false first. Now after choosing option if I give ch is equal to 1, if my start is equal to false, then uh, my uh, my car should get started. Now my start will become true now. Okay, here I am assigning. Okay, here I am comparing whether my car is in start or not. Okay, and the same thing we have to do here. If start is equal to true, else I should get a message like car is already started. The same way we are going to do in our stop also. Car is stopped and my start will become false again. Okay, else I should get a message like is already stopped. Now I'll try to execute this program. Let's see whether I'm getting the right output or not according to my requirement. Okay, I have three options. I'll start the car. Nice. I'll stop the car because we can you can able to stop only when it is started, and you can able to start only when it is stopped. Now again I started. I'll try to click one again. I'm getting car is already stopped. Two, I'm getting car is stopped. Car is already stopped. Again I can start the car. If you click one again, it will show the message car is already. This is how you will have your code in your this small code where in our mobile phones and all will work out. Just try to keep take a snap of this program. Take a picture of this program. Yeah, have you done with that? Okay. I'll show you another program called digit count. I'll give a number as an input. I should get how many numbers I have given over there. For example, if I give my value as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I should get my digit count as 5. If I give 1, 2, 3, 4 or 9, 1, 2, 6, you should get your digit count as 4. Let's see how we can do that. So if I want to give user input, you have to use equal to the put the number. Now I'll count the values. One, my n is greater than 0. This is a condition, okay? This is a condition. If my n is greater than 0 only, then I should count the digits, okay? My count will become 3 plus 1. Uh, but okay, try to see the output. I'll give 2 by 8. I should get my output as 3. But here the thing is my loop is rotating here only, and also nothing will get printed because I have not used any condition for incrementation or decrementation to my n here. Now what I'll do is I'll make floor division here. N is equal to n by 10. Okay, it is successful. Let's see how it is going on. I'll make here uh, for example, I'll take a number like 123. You are getting 3. Let's see how this 123 is getting progress. Okay, 123. Before that, here my n value is 123, and I am dividing my 123 with 10. 10 ones, sorry, 10 twelves, 120. You will get remainder as 3. Okay, you are getting remainder. Okay, nice. Is nice. So when you do floor division, you will get your coefficient as a value. Okay, so here my 123 divided by 10, you will get your output as 12. Now 12 is stored in my n value. Again the count will get increased because uh, the number of loops, it will count the number of loops. Okay, so my loop, one loop completed, so I am getting my count as 1 here. Now my n value became 12 now because my 123 divided by 10 now. So I got my output as 12. 12 is stored in this n, and again we'll go to the loop, and 12 greater than 0, it will check here. Now again my 12 will divide with 10, sorry, 10 ones, 10. You will get remainder as 2. Okay, so my n became 1 here. Okay, my 12 divided by 10, then I'll get my coefficient as 1. So my n value is 1 now. So again it will go here. 1 is greater than 0, it is true. Now my 1 will get divided by 10. 10 zeros, 0, you will get remainder as 1. Okay, so my n value became 0 here. Again it will go the other loop. So 3 loops completed. Now my coefficient is 0. 0 is greater than 0, it is false, so no count will be done here. So that's why it has taken only 3 loops. Okay, if you have any doubts, just check this code. Okay, check this operation with any other number so that you will get some idea on how these loops are running. Okay, do you have any doubts in this while loop? No response. Okay, that's all about today's class. Tomorrow I'll start the for loop so that we can complete the loops by tomorrow, and after that functions, oops, we can go through that. Okay, uh, that's all about. You can leave the class now.